Welcome to our factory. Today, I'm going to show you how we turn raw bamboo into the soft t-shirt you might be wearing right now. Stick around till the end because you will not believe every single step it takes to make this. See this? The tough bamboo stalks are crushed down into soft pulp fibers. This is the very first step in turning hard bamboo into something soft enough to wear. Feel how soft this bamboo fiber is already. Next, we're going to spin this fiber into strong yarn, which is what actually gets woven into fabric. This is real woven bamboo fabric now, soft, breathable, and strong. Next, we take this exact fabric and give it some color. Look at that. A real t-shirt is finally taking shape. Now it just needs a final quality check before we get it ready to ship out. And there it is, a finished green fiber bamboo t-shirt, ready to be packed up. Let's follow it all the way to the store. Honestly, this bamboo shirt is one of the softest things I've ever worn, and I love that I got to see exactly how it's made.
It's so lightweight and breathable, especially for summer. I can genuinely tell this is made with real care.
And that's exactly how we turn raw bamboo into the soft t-shirt you saw today. From the field all the ways. If you enjoyed the Inside Factory 11, please like this video, drop